Today we are going to discuss about operations on matrix. In this topic we discuss addition of matrices, means how to add two matrix, multiplication of a matrix by a scalar, properties of matrix addition, properties of scalar multiplication of a matrix, and multiplication of matrices. First we discuss about एडिशन ऑफ मैट्रिक्स। मैट्रिक्स का एडिशन किस तरह से डिफाइन किया गया है। यहाँ पर हम एक बात विशेष ध्यान रखेंगे कि सम ऑफ टू मैट्रिक्स इज डिफाइंड ओनली व्हेन बोथ मैट्रिक्स हैव सेम ऑर्डर। सम ऑफ मैट्रिक्स तभी डिफाइंड है जब दोनों मैट्रिक्स के ऑर्डर सेम हो, मतलब दोनों के रो नंबर ऑफ रोज की संख्या, नंबर ऑफ कॉलम की संख्या सेम हो, अदरवाइज मैट्रिक्स एडिशन इज नॉट डिफाइंड। लेट ए इज इक्वल टू Aij m cross n and B is equal to Bij m cross n are two matrices of same order. Then sum of their sum is defined. A plus B is equal to Aij plus Bij is equal to Aij plus Bij m cross n for all I and j. It means that we have to add the corresponding elements of the both matrix. A11 is added with B11, A12 is added with B12 and so on. Look at here, now we are discussing the addition of example number 6, page number 66 NCERT part 1. Given A and B, the order of matrix A is 2 cross 3 and order of matrix B is same 2 cross 3. We have to find A plus B. Here both matrices have same order, so A plus B is defined. Now we find A plus B. Before adding two matrices, first we have to check the orders, whether addition of matrix is defined or not. If in any question we find that number of row and number of order are different, then we just write the A plus B is not possible. Here A plus B is equal to, as per definition, root 3 plus 2, 1 plus root 5, minus 1 plus 1, 2 plus minus 2, 3 plus 3, 0 plus half. On simplifying, we will get root 3 plus 2, 1 plus root 5, 0, 0, 6 half. Okay. Now next we are going to discuss multiplication of a matrix by a scalar. Let A is equal to Aij m cross n is a scalar, is a matrix, and K is a scalar. Then K into A is also a matrix, where K Aij m cross n is equal to K into Aij m cross n for all I and j. It means that whenever we multiply a matrix by a number, any real number, each and every element of the given matrix is multiplied by that number. Consider A is equal to, 1 2 3 4, and we have to find 2a. Then what we will do, 2 into a, 1 2 3 4, it gives 2 4 6 8. Each element is multiplied by 2. Similarly, we can find 3a is equal to 3 6 9 12. आई बात समझ में? Now we are going to discuss about negative of a matrix. Let A is equal to Aij m cross n be a matrix, then its negative is defined by minus A. We write minus A is equal to minus 1 into Aij m cross n, or is equal to minus Aij m cross n. It means that every element is of the given matrix is multiplied by minus 1. Suppose that A is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. It is 3 cross 3 matrix. If we find minus A, then we will get here minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5 minus 6 minus 7 minus 8 minus 9. Got it? Now difference of matrix. Now we are going to discuss about difference of matrix. Let A is equal to Aij m cross n and B is equal to Bij m cross n be two matrices of same order. Then A minus is defined to be A plus minus B, Aij m cross n plus minus 1 into Bij m cross n is equal to Aij minus Bij m cross n. It means that whenever we have to find A minus B, first we find the negative of B and then add. Example we will discuss. Consider A is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6. It is 2 cross 3 matrix. We have to consider again the same minus 1 3 minus 5 8 minus 7 6, same matrix 2 cross 3, same order. Now we have to find A minus B. So what we will do here, first we find A plus minus B. It means that A plus minus 1 into B. Here matrix A is 1 2 3 4 5 6 plus minus B. We have to find them, multiplied each element of B by minus 1 first, then it is 1 minus 3 5 minus 8 7 minus 6. Now add them. It is 2 minus 1 8 minus 4 12 0. Now we are going to discuss about the property of matrix addition. Properties of matrix addition. The addition of matrices satisfied the following properties. जो एडिशन है मैट्रिक्स का वो निम्नलिखित प्रॉपर्टीज़ को सेटिस्फाइड करता है. पहला है कम्यूटेटिव लॉ. If A is equal to Aij m cross n, B is equal to Bij m cross n be two matrices of same order, then A plus B is equal to B plus A. Now look at here how we are giving example. A is equal to A plus B. A plus B is equal to Aij m cross n plus Bij m cross n. It means Aij plus Bij m cross n for all I and j. So we can write here Bij plus Aij. Why? Because addition of two real number is commutative. So we can write here Bij plus Aij is equal to B plus A. आई बात समझ में. नेक्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी इज एसोसिएटिव लॉ. लेट Aij m cross n, B Bij m cross n and Cij m cross n be three matrices, then A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. It's called associative law. And we can consider here A plus B plus C is equal to Aij plus Bij plus Cij. We can find here Aij plus Bij plus Cij is equal to, we can write here Aij plus Bij plus Cij. We can for all I and j. Look at here. We can write here Aij plus Bij plus Cij. Why? Because addition of real number are associative. So we can consider here, we can write here Aij plus Bij plus Cij, or we can write here Aij plus Bij plus Cij, or we can write here A plus B cross plus C, A plus B plus C. आई बात समझ में? Now next property is existence of additive identity. Let A is equal to Aij m cross n be a matrix of order m cross n and 0 be a O be a zero matrix of order m cross n. O be a zero matrix of order m cross n, then A plus O is equal to O plus A is equal to A. It is clear that suppose that A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and O is equal to 0 0 0 0, then what happened? A plus 0, A plus O is equal to 1 plus 0 means 1, 2 plus 0 means 2, 3 plus 0 means 3, 4, equal to O plus A is equal to A. Okay. Now next is the existence of additive inverse. मतलब जितने भी आपके पास मैट्राइसेस हैं सभी का नेगेटिव इन्वर्स एग्जिस्ट कर रहा है. लेट ए इज इक्वल टू ए आई जे एम क्रॉस एन, देन माइनस ए इज इक्वल टू माइनस ए आई जे एम क्रॉस एन इज कॉल्ड additive inverse of A or negative of A. Here A plus minus A is equal to minus A plus A equal to 0. Now we have to discuss about the properties of scalar multiplication of a matrix. स्केलर मल्टीप्लिकेशन, जब हम किसी मैट्रिक्स को एक किसी स्केलर से मल्टीप्लिकेशन करते हैं तो कौन कौन सी प्रॉपर्टीज को सेटिस्फाइड करता है. लेट ए इज इक्वल टू ए आई जे एम क्रॉस एन एंड बी इज इक्वल टू बी आई जे एम क्रॉस बी, टू मैट्रिक्स ऑफ सेम ऑर्डर एम क्रॉस एन, एंड के एंड एल आर स्केलर. देन first k into a plus b is equal to k a plus k b. Second, k plus l a is equal to k a plus l a. Then third one is k a plus b is equal to k a plus b is equal to k, we can write here aij plus bij is equal to aij plus bij is equal to k into aij plus bij is equal to k aij plus k bij is equal to k aij plus k bij is equal to ka plus kb. Similarly, we can prove the second part. Now, we are going to discuss example 8, NCERT page number 69. A is equal to matrix given 8 0 4 minus 2 3 6. B is equal to 2 4 minus 5 minus 2 2 1. Then find matrix X such that 2A plus 3X is equal to 5B. हमें X निकालना है जिसमें 2A plus 3X is equal to 5B. Now look at here. Solution. Two A plus 3X is equal to 5B. We simplify it. 3X is equal to 5B minus 2A, or X is equal to 1/3 5B minus 2A, or we can find here 5/3B minus now 5B minus 2A. One upon 3 5B. 5B means 10 minus 10 20 10 25 5 minus 2 E 8 0 4 minus 2 3 6 is equal to 1/3 10 minus 16 minus 10 minus 0 20 minus 8 10 plus 4 5 minus 6 5 plus 12 1/3 minus 6 minus 10 12 14 minus 31. So we get here X is equal to minus 2 minus 10/3 4 14/3 minus 31/3, 17/3. It is the answer. Now here two matrices are given in example number 1. Find x and y if x plus y is equal to 5, 2, 0, 9 and x minus y is equal to 3, 6, 0, minus 1. So here x plus y solution, x plus y plus x minus y. What we will get here? We add both matrix. We get here x plus y 8, 8, 0, 8. What we will get here? 2x is equal to 8, 8, 0, 8. So here x is equal to 4, 4, 0, 4. Now we put the value of x in equation number 1. X plus y is equal to 5, 2, 0, 9. So y is equal to 5, 2, 0, 9 minus x is equal to 5, 2, 0, 9 minus 4, 4, 0, 4. Get here 1 minus 2, 0, 5. Now this is the two farmers, Radha Krishna, Ram Krishna and Guru Charan Singh